Hi guys, good afternoon. We are here at Casa Amelia, San Antonio, Pilar, Sorsogon with my batchmates. Yan, tomorrow is birthday of one of our batchmate, Tess Mabini. Tess, happy birthday! Yung birthday celebrant namin. So this is the venue of our shooting time today. Di ba guys? Beautiful. Casa Amelia of San Antonio, Pilar, Sorsogon. Guys, ang ganda dito. Yan. See the view. Yan, ang ganda. Guys, pwede dito lahat ng occasions. You can celebrate it with a spacious serenity. Yan, ganda ng dagat, ang linis. O, di ba guys? Yan, welcome to Casa Amelia, San Antonio, Pilar, Sorsogon. Happy New Year!